Hi, my name is Kirsty, and I am a property entrepreneur.
Excellent. So, how long have you been on the property journey for?
I've been on the property journey for, well, this side, 2 years.
Amazing. How did that start?
So it started with Samuel Leeds. But before that, I've always been in property. I actually studied business of property in uni, and I'm probably one of the few people that can actually say I do what I studied at uni. So I did business of property. This was 12 years ago. And I've always been in property, social housing, estate agency. So yeah.
Amazing. And tell me, so I know you have been on the training today. How have you found the training with Samuel to be?
It's really informative. Probably one of the best investments I've ever made. Um, in that I feel really informed and well equipped when it comes to property. So overall the academy, the training, really thorough. And I'll say yeah, it's really, really good.
Amazing.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
what was it about Samuel that drew you to this training rather than any other trainings?
I don't know. I think Samuel shared similar beliefs to myself. When it comes to generational wealth, working for yourself, and just being your own boss. And just taking control of your own life. So that's what really drew me to Samuel.
Amazing. What was the best bit of the academy, do you think?
Oh, I'd say the network. I met some really, really amazing people, some of which I've gone into business with, who have become really good friends, lifelong friends. So the network is definitely one of the best parts of the academy.
Amazing. And so someone who's thinking about going to the crash course, who's right on the edge, what would you say to them?
Just go for it. You're not going to regret it. I'm not even saying this to be biased, but I can't think of one thing that was even bad about making that decision to come to the £1 crash course. If anything, it changed my life. So just do it, go for it. What do you have to lose? It's just £1. So yeah.